Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can use auto cutout in Photoleap apps. So you can download the Photoleap apps on Play Store or App Store and just open it after you download and select your photo you like to edit, and here I already have one project. And how to use cutout, just tap on the image or photo and select cutout, select auto cutout. So you can select the option you want to keep on frame. For example, if I select subject, that subject keep on frame, or background sky. Select this, click check marks. So basically, but I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.